Hi, in this video, I will show you how to show Netflix on Discord status. So, in order to do this, you'll have to first of all start by opening Discord and clicking the settings icon, that is user icon at the bottom left. Now, you will see this page where you'll have to scroll at the bottom and click on activity privacy. Now, here, make sure that share my activity is turned on. This button is turned on. After you do this, click on registered games just under activity privacy and you will see this page where all the games and things you browse will be shown. Here, you'll have to simply click on add it button and search for your browser on which you watch Netflix. So I will click on add and search for Edge. Now, make sure Microsoft Edge is on in the taskbar. Select Microsoft Edge and click add game. Now, here what you'll have to simply do is rename Microsoft Edge as Netflix. So you can rename it Netflix, watching Netflix, or anything you want your status to show. Press enter and now Discord will display this custom name whenever your browser is open. Make sure you're actually watching Netflix in the exact browser you added. And if Netflix is open in a different browser or the app, the status will not update. The name you set will stay active as long as browser is running. So, the name you set will stay active as long as the browser is running. And if you want to make the appearance cleaner, click your profile picture, that is this one, and here choose set custom status and type something like watching Netflix or choose don't clear. This will add a second line under your profile that looks more intentional. Now, if you plan to screen share Netflix, disable hardware acceleration and click on the share icon just right here if you're watching Netflix and you'll be able to stream it. So that's how you show Netflix on your Discord status. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.